Hey all, it's DeeJayBe. I just wanted to post a little update this Wednesday. Unfortunately, there's no video for this week. Things have kind of gone a little crazy since you've last heard from me. I've kind of mentioned it on my Instagram, but not really in specifics, but basically my boyfriend has moved here very fast. It wasn't planned or intentional. It was a job offering, so he moved very quickly within a matter of days, and I had a couple weeks to move out and find a place. So we've been madly moving and rearranging things, and that means that the studio is moving and I'm leaving behind my whole herd of Breyers, which is really sad. I'm going to miss them. So they're not going anywhere. Luckily, I'm fortunate enough that my parents are cool with me leaving them here for however long it takes me to find my own actual house where I can move them all and keep them there for a couple years, because there's just too many of them to move into the rental suite. It would be silly to do that. So they're staying here, so you won't be seeing the collection as much. But the studio is definitely moving, and it will be a little bit before I get settled. So I plan on trying to keep uploads for the rest of December. I have a couple lined up, and then in January I'm going to take a little break from YouTube. So I'm going to just take some time to settle into the new place, film more tutorials, and because right now everything's on pause. It's been on pause for about a month. So I'm not able to paint, which means I'm not able to film, which means I'm not able to get tutorials out. So you will see me again in the new year. I'm not sure when, but I want to archive some footage, just do a bit more painting and learn more techniques before I basically say that I'm ready to post again. So we'll just leave it at that, in that yeah, times are changing, and DeeJayBeStudios is definitely changing. But I'm very excited to be in the new place and finally settled, so it's just going to take a bit of time. But yeah, this is not for well. I'm just letting you guys know what's going on because it's gotten a little crazy and I've kind of dropped off social media.